So this is your one and only sexy polo, Akuapim polo. Yeah, Rosemond Brown. I just want to use this opportunity to say thanks to all my legends who supported me. I saw the hashtag, especially Regina Stone, Sarkodie, Stone Boy, Legit O2, Hajia For Real, Akuapim Cindy, EKB. Oh, I can't mention it all. Please, I saw all this, all the bloggers who use the platform to support me. I saw the hashtag. I love you. I know you people love me, and I love you too. The bloggers, mommy, those called celebrity. I know you love me. I'm stubborn, but you still show me love. I saw the money you sent, mommy, for my son. We are grateful, guys. You know your girl is strong. Sometimes in life, you have to pass through some things to make you strong to get to somewhere. I know it's a test I have to go through. I'm strong, you guys know. Please, all that I need is your prayers and your support. The girl will be back with you guys. I love you. Thank you, Tunde. Thank you, all my Nigerian celebrities. Thank you, all my Ghana celebrities. All over the world who are supporting me. Yeah, Jackson, I love you, sister. I know you love me. I love everyone who has supported me to this. Your girl loves you. Did they pay you?